Installing a garage door? Here are some do's and don'ts of garage door installation. The first thing to do: measure your garage door opening. It is essential to take accurate measurements before beginning the installation. Doing this will ensure that you purchase a door that fits perfectly. Don't forget to disconnect the power to your garage door opener before beginning the installation. It's a lot to learn and remember. Let's face it, your very biggest don't is to not try and install your garage door by yourself. Garage door installation can be tricky and requires skill and experience to get it done right. A single mistake in the installation could lead to problems down the line, such as the door not functioning properly or breaking prematurely. You should always hire an installation professional to install your new garage door for you. Turn to Affordable Garage Door throughout the Phoenix area for A to Z new garage door repair and replacement services. We're always here to help you with any garage door issue.